Hello, friends. Good day to you all, wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to be here again today. I welcome you all to Lasogenic BIZZTALK. Okay, this is the latest information on 5 VIP withdrawal and the next step to take. So, this is what I have to share with you in today's video. So, all you need to do is to stay tuned and watch this video to the very end so that you can have the full grasp of the information that I'm about to share with you. Okay, but before I go further in this video, I want you to know one thing, that this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasogenic BIZZTALK, courtesy of this channel called Lasogenic BIZZTALK. All right, Lasogenic BIZZTALK is a channel that is created to share with you my online ideas about online investment platform. So here I review online investment opportunities and I give you my sincere recommendation so that it can serve as a basis for your own financial decision. Mind you, this channel is solely made for financial education and not for financial advice. For that reason, you are expected to do your own due and diligent research before you venture into any of the content being shared here. All right, but anyway, this channel is a way whereby I am using to share with you some ways whereby I have been making money online, but that does not mean you shouldn't do your own due diligence research. All right, once again, if you are new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe now and click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware of the next updates. And if after you have watched this video or any of the contents shared here, you found it to be very meaningful to you, useful and helpful, then please do not hesitate to share with your friends and family, as this can be an information that they have been waiting for their financial liberation. All right, so once again, what we are considering today is the latest information on Fire VIP withdrawal, next step to take. All right, so quickly let me take you to the platform here. So this is the Fire VIP platform, our so our online investment platform whereby we have been making money on daily basis by watching video adverts. So it's going to like a week now that we have received our payments last, that they've paid people. And this is the information that we had then was that they had issue with banks, that is the banks dispatching the payment. There is a particular glitch, there is a particular error then. So that was the information that we were given in some of their social platform, most especially in the Telegram. So, but as you can see now, the adverts still keeps running and the money being generated on daily basis keeps coming in. But if I should show you my last withdrawal here, okay, let me show you the withdrawal record. Okay, the withdrawal record that I made, which was 17,300 on the 2nd of this month, that is 2nd of August. It shows successfully. It shows withdraw successfully, but it didn't reflect in my account. And this is the case of many. This is what many also have been experiencing. They receive, they have withdraw successfully, but the money didn't enter their bank account. So is it only a particular bank? Is it all banks that are having the network issue or dispatching glitch or what? So this just shows to us that the company, they are just finding a way to pack up. So that is my own personal opinion, though I stand to be corrected. But based on my own knowledge on online investing platform, whenever they are giving such excuses like this, we are doing some upgrade and the network is bad, we are updating our site. So just know that is a red flag. Just know that is a sign that the company is somehow packing up. So the withdrawal that I also made, which is 6,000 naira now, which I made 2 days ago, is still in the withdrawing stage, which is unusual. So nevertheless, all the other activities is still going on as normal on the site, but what is the essence when we can't receive our earnings? So, and it has caused a lot of discouragement, a lot of ups and downs, a lot of upset, uproars in the society. So I just want you to stay away from it for now. Stop registering, stop funding your account. Though you can still continue with watching the video ads, you can be doing the daily task but don't put any money into this for now. Don't put any money into this for now. So that is my own advice for you. That's my own advice for you. So don't put any money into this for now, because it seems uh to be packing up. So the site seems to be packing up. So don't just put any money into this for now. And if you try to withdraw, if the successful, just see it as a lock. And for those of you that have a huge amount of money in Fire VIP, you shouldn't be discouraged. Such is life. And I would like to say is that you just need to get up, dust your feet, and continue. So in life, you are going to experience some downs and you surely experience some up. So it depends on you. It depends on you how you can take it. And the downfall of man is not the end of his life. So when you fall 10 times, there's tendency that you will still rise 10 times, and you even get to your promised land, you get to your goal. So you don't need to give up, because many people will give up on online investment platform, though everybody is entitled to his own opinion. You can make money in any ways. You can make money in physical businesses. You can make money also in online investment platform, but just need to take your own personal decision. You need to do your own due diligence research, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose, and also learn how to diversify. Whenever you are doing any online investment platform that is paying, you shouldn't see it as the end of the world. You just need to think outside the box. You need to put your eggs into many baskets to avoid something like this. Let's assume you have many platforms similar to Fire VIP that are paying you on daily basis. I'm very, very sure that not all of them will pack up at the same time. All the platform will never pack up at the same time. So while Fire VIP is still paying you, then you need to diversify into other things. So by the time Fire VIP pack up, you won't be discouraged, and you won't have a hard time with it. So that is my own advice for you. So you can just check the content. You can check the channels. This channel, there are several ways whereby you can make money online. There are several videos that I've made on other opportunities, because that is what I do tell my own subscribers. That is what I do tell my viewers. That is, don't put all your eggs into one basket. Learn to diversify, because even physical business, there are several unforeseen circumstances that can lead to the downfall of such businesses. If such can happen to physical business, then how much more online investment platform? So if government can collapse, how much more online investment platform? So anything is possible, anything can happen. So you should just be prepared for the unforeseen, so that when it hits you, you will know how to get over it in a very short period of time. So that is what I have to share with you in today's video. Sorry for those of you that lose a huge amount of money, even if it is small, no matter how small it is. Sorry for that. And just have it in mind that you will surely get to where you're going. You get your financial security level. You surely attain financial security by the special grace of God. All right, see the next video. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to this channel and like this video as well. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware, and watch out for my next video on other online investment platform that you can give a try while Fire VIP is still down. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all, and bye for now.